Hey everybody, Chris here. In this video, we're going to be looking at how Dogecoin is going to lead the charge this next bull run. Please be sure to subscribe to my channel. Hit that little notification bell too. You can be notified when my new videos come out, as well as when I do live streams. We were live Friday afternoon and was talking about how Dogecoin is going to send it this weekend. And so far, we've seen some modest gains, but we will see how that improves as we go through the weekend. I'll be live again Monday at 4 o'clock East Coast time in the United States, so please be sure to be subscribed, have your notifications on, make sure you're selected to all so you get that notification when I begin my next live stream. But for now, we are looking at how Dogecoin is maintaining resistance, where the next support levels are, and where Dogecoin is going in the future. So let's get into it. Let me show you the charts and the news, and I'll show you what I'm looking at. We start here with the Dogecoin chart, just over 10.2 cents this morning. We are seeing this beginning of this rise in Dogecoin, up now 2% since last night. Bitcoin still remaining rather flat. So this is good to see with Doge. That's right, Doge beginning to lead the charge. No, we're getting ahead of ourselves. The charge hasn't started yet. We are still in the summertime, and I know it's been a long summer. It's been tough on people's crypto portfolios, but there is light ahead. That's right. The light is ahead, and we just need to be patient a little bit longer, get through the summer, and we will get there. So where do we start here? Well, look, first, Mustache is looking at Bitcoin at the same moment now as it was back in 2016. That's right. We are looking at 4-year cycles, 2016, 2020, and then 2024. But right now, this is setting up more like what we saw 2015, 2016 into 2017 on the Bitcoin chart. And that's what CryptoProf is looking at here, the deviation, the retest, and then when to start buying on the summer of 2016, the accumulation before beginning a run up. Same thing happening. 2022 into 2023, we had the retest last summer. We know for Dogecoin specifically, we were buying Doge at 6 cents last summer. Again, run up. We've had more of a pullback in Dogecoin than we've had in Bitcoin in 2024. But this is the time to buy before what is coming next. Let's look at MAGS. MAGS is looking at Bitcoin, looking at the trading within a wedge pattern for the past few months. Up, down, between lower support zone, upper resistance line. Where is the next target? 67, 68K. And once Bitcoin makes it up above that line in the RSI, we will see a takeoff in Bitcoin. The price has consistently found support at the lower trend line, faced rejection at the upper resistance line. Recently, we saw a retest of the lower support zone. Now the price is consolidating in the middle of the wedge. Next likely move could be toward the upper resistance line, especially since the RSI still has room to climb. Altcoin Sherpa looking not only at overall altcoins, but this is Popcat down. We've seen that with a lot of other altcoins. This is Celestia. Celestia is one that I've been looking at mostly because I did buy some back in December at around $6. Had a beautiful move up like most other altcoins, February and March. And how high did Celestia go here? And if you guys don't mind if I just take a quick view of Celestia here on the daily. And we will see that Celestia did trade up here in February up to $20. So now it's $5. It's a 4x just to get where it was in February, where Dogecoin at 10 cents only needs to get to 22 cents for its price where it was. So these newer tokens based on projects, Optimism, Arbitrum, others that have had token unlock, same with Celestia. Once it starts moving, we could see an easy 4x here. Again, I bought in December, so I am going to be looking at taking profits probably this December. If Celestia is back up here, at this $20 range, that would be a 3x from my purchase over $6. And we'll begin looking at profits then on something like that. But again, don't want to get ahead of ourselves too much. The market is desperate for any narrative right now, both on-chain and through trading. We all want to long something, but there's no true leader to cling to. Give us something to gamble on, please. And I am saying it's Doge. That's right. We have seen Doge in the past, particularly 2021, when it started taking off. That got the excitement of the crypto group, family, everyone buying more crypto. Doge is the one that is going to do it this time. Some analysts still believe Doge are underperforming due to traders choosing competitors. That's right. There's a lot more memes out there. I mean, Sheeb is feeling the same thing. And because there's so many more meme coins out there, it's taking the attention away from Doge. And that is true. And we have talked about that during other live streams. And I think it's all going to go right back to Doge. There will be some Sheeb run that will most likely happen too, but the attention is going to be on Doge because that has the marketability and the visibility for a huge run coming. It's going to be Doge leading the charge. Dogecoin skyrockets 32% in active users. Will the price follow? That's right. We've been looking at the number of new wallets being created. We do have some new users, new buyers of Doge. We'll see what happens, like this, play to earn game that's being developed. The one that's actually on Dogecoin, not that play Doge crap, but the real one. We'll be watching that as well because that will spark some activity. But we do have a lot of new buyers in Doge. Dogecoin remains above 9 cents. Traders remain undecided because, look, we're still in the summertime. This is still low volume, low activity. We've had a lot of liquidations. That's right. We do still see liquidations. We had one for Doge. Somebody was shorting Doge, $153,000 trade on shorting Doge. And when Doge hit 10.2 cents, that trade got wiped out. And now, as I'm recording this, we just saw a $210,000 trade on Bitcoin. Again, a short, get wiped out at 59.8. So, again, we see the green, we see the red, leveraged longs, and then shorts getting liquidated off and on and off and on. The exchanges and the market makers don't want you to win. But here, Doge could lead the charge in the next bull run. Could it be a tenfold rally? Well, a tenfold rally would take Dogecoin to $1, which when we asked the Magic 8 Ball in our live stream the other day, the Magic 8 Ball said, yes, Dogecoin is going to reach $1 without a doubt in 2025. Can we be patient enough? Can we be patient enough for that? Well, look, we've got big runs that happened in 2021, obviously on the big scale. Looking at 2021, that was Doge's price. It did get up over 70 cents. So we do have to look at that as part of Doge's history, even though a lot of that was all FOMO inspired there. And Doge, of course, got shorted down and continued to get shorted throughout 2022. That was tough. Trader Tardigrade is saying, look, again, patterns repeating every 4 years. We saw the Bitcoin chart earlier. Well, here's Doge's. We looked at this in detail the other day. 2016 into 2017, 2020 into 2021. And here we are in 2024 with the same kind of setup happening. Is this the run that Doge goes on? And again, once Doge starts moving, that's going to be the FOMO. That is going to be really what I think is going to lead the crypto market moving up, and it's going to be Dogecoin leading the charge. So that's what we have right now going on with Doge. The Doge chart right now is recovering from the big sell-off that happened here in early August with Doge. Doge needs to recover that price and get back up, and that is just starting, as we were talking about the live stream last night. We need to start somewhere, slow and steady gains. Let's get new support levels going for Doge as we begin the recovery. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this thesis about Dogecoin leading the charge in the next crypto bull run? Give the video a like. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel. I appreciate the support. We'll see you next time.